Hey guys, it's NH here, and today we'll be reviewing the Nerf Elite XD Stryfe. This is a new gun that I got a few days ago, so let's get into it. First, what you need is, you need batteries for this gun. Where I put my screwdriver? Yeah. So, on this side, this panel here where it says Elite in white and orange, that's your jam door, that's your battery door. You need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the single Phillips head screw, like this. So once you unscrew that, you can take off the panel. If I can actually just take it off, and then you can put your 4 AA's in. Alright, so let's go over some features. A tactical rail on top, one on the bottom. We got rev up trigger, we got main trigger, which you can't click because it's a lock, and there's a mag release here, which is very nice. You got a top jam door to clear jams. You have a barrel attachment point, a stock attachment point, and you have a sling mount here and here. So that's pretty useful. So you're not going to be able to rev it without a mag in because it's a mag lock. If I have the battery in right now, so if you just rev it, like click it, look, rev. The trigger won't press either because there's a lock. So the gun comes with a Elite 6-round mag, half clear, half non-clear. And it comes with 6 Elite darts. I put them in right now, so once you put them in, put the mag in. Yeah, it should start revving. So let's go over there. This is like probably the most customizable Nerf gun you can actually get your hands on because it's got a barrel attachment, you've got a stock adapter, you've got 2 rails, and basically you can put anything on here that you want. Look, like you can put a Spectre barrel, you can put a Recon barrel, you can put a Praxis stock. It's too big to fit in a frame. Then you can put like a 25 round in here. Looks awesome. Or you can put in an 18 round or 12. Let's say a 6. So that's really what you can do with it. Let's go with some pros. Its customizability is great because you can make a lot of combos with this. The pros is got a nice rev up trigger. I like it a lot. I like the mag release. If you remember in my old Stryfe review, which is the normal blue Stryfe, that kind of got screwed up because I did what Nerf Boy Productions told me to, like you clip the mag release thing, so it wouldn't work. But now since I fixed it, well I didn't fix it, I bought a new Stryfe. I'm not doing that. And I like how it's got all the rails and stuff. It really just makes it look kind of cool. So now, let's fire the thing. I'm just going to fire it over to there, but you can't see it, but let's just see. It jammed on me! Would you know? Well, that's my review on the Nerf N-Strike Elite XD Stryfe. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.